This is the 2-in-1 knapsack sprayer. It has a capacity to spray both manually and electrically. The manual uses hand pump action, while the electrical mode is battery powered and comes with a 220 volts 60 Hz lithium charger. This is the power button with the regulator and a power input. The sprayer comes with a variety of nozzles ranging from the N16, the N2, the N7, and finally the N6. This is how you assemble the sprayer. You first connect the nozzle to the lance, like so. The lance is then connected to the switch, like so. The switch is finally connected to the hose. For the electric mode, you are to connect the hose to the lower area of the tank. We'll get to that later. For the manual use, you first have to secure the pump handle to the tank. You are then to insert the split pin, like so. To connect the straps, fit the hooks to either slots under the tank, thread the strap down through and out the bottom of the loops. For manual use, connect the hose to the upper area of the tank, opposite the tank cap, like so. Insert the chemical by unscrewing the tank cap and pouring in. Screw back the tank cap, and now the sprayer is ready to use. This is the manual sprayer in action. Ensure to screw the cap back after use. During electronic use, after hose connection, ensure to power on the device first. Use the regulator to control the pumping action. When on, the lights will illuminate, green meaning the power is sufficient, while red meaning the power is running low. Hold down the trigger on the switch to activate. You can use various nozzles for various uses. Push the red switch in to hold down the trigger for continuous spraying.